to Crypto Army. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Metamask. So you go to Play Store from your phone. You search Metamask. Once you are done searching for Metamask, I've already installed it, so you just press open bar. You will see install here, so you press install. Now you come to this interface. After it is done installing, you press get started. Now you are to create a new wallet, so you press create a new wallet. So from here you are to pick a password that is very strong and you can remember. So if the password is strong, they will tell you. If it's not strong too, you have to edit it. Okay, so once you are done and your password matches, you press I understand, then you press create password. So your wallet is loading now. Okay, so from here you just press start and secure your wallet. So you press start. So to reveal your secret recovery phrase, so this one they are going to give us a secret recovery phrase. So view. Now it says that this is your secret recovery phrase. So what are you going to do? You have to make sure that you write this phrase down so that you wouldn't forget. Okay, they will ask of this phrase in the same order, so you have to copy it and save it on your phone, or you just write it down, because in the next step they will need it. So once you are done copying, you press continue. So the first word was reward, the second one was badge, the third one was network, the fourth one was spike. So you continue from there. Okay, so you press complete backup. Now congratulations, you are done installing your Metamask. So you press done. So that is it. Now we are done creating a new Metamask wallet on our Android phone. So this is Metamask. You can use it to buy, you can deposit Ethereum into your account, maybe from your Binance. You can even add BNB onto this account and so on. So that is all for today. That is all for this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if this video was helpful to you. Bye bye.